If you're a small business owner or part of a larger corporation, it pays to maintain proper records. In fact, the law requires companies that are incorporated to keep corporate minutes. Documenting company-related events can be a daunting task for a small business owner. However, if you fall behind, you may lose tax benefits, liability protections, and the outcome of court cases. Keeping corporate minutes involves recording the details of any instances where key decisions are made or important activities take place. You should keep minutes of annual meetings of shareholders and the board of directors. Also document significant events like employee hirings, firings, and raises, appointment of new officers, creation of new bank accounts or loans, and issuance of stock. Unlike the shareholder meetings of megacorporations such as Walmart, your meetings probably aren't attended by the likes of celebrity performers such as Taylor Swift or Justin Timberlake. Even though your own company events are often not quite as exciting, you still need to pay close attention and record important information. EasyVidWiki introduces 5 steps to making corporate minutes. We aren't lawyers and this isn't legal advice, but if you fail to follow the proper procedure, you could be putting your business in jeopardy. Get started now so you don't miss any of the important steps. Go to wiki.easyvid.com or click the link beneath this video. Step number 1, record your minutes for every significant company meeting or event. Choose whatever process you prefer, whether it is handwriting the information or typing it. If you prefer, use an audio recorder with plans to transfer the information to a typed copy soon later. Whatever you choose, be sure to capture all the important information. Note that various printable templates for keeping minutes are available online, free of charge. Step number 2, it is important to know what to include in each set of minutes. Include pertinent details like the date, time, and a summary of any key actions or decisions made. Record any activity related to important financial, legal, or tax issues. If there is a company or executive meeting, list the location and the names of those who are present. If board members are voting on items, include the outcome and the number of votes both for and against each initiative. Record any action items agreed upon in the meeting and the name of the person responsible for carrying out each action. You might be wondering what not to record in company minutes. Many businesses don't keep records of discussion points or activities that are not crucial to major company decisions or legal matters. Step number 3, if you wrote your minutes by hand or simply captured an audio recording, transfer them to a typed format and be sure to correct any spelling or grammar errors. Step number 4, after a meeting of shareholders or directors has taken place, provide copies of minutes from meetings to them. You can provide this at the next regularly scheduled meeting. Some corporations secure a resolution at the time approving the minutes. Note that at any time, stakeholders are entitled to seek a copy of minutes from a meeting. Be sure to comply with such requests, as litigation can ensue if you fail to produce the documents or deny the request. Step number 5, keep all your minutes documents together in a corporate minutes book. Most companies fill this book with all minutes, in addition to articles of incorporation, bylaws, and share certificates. Keep this book on permanent file at your headquarters. Be sure to keep a digital backup of all the documents as well. Following are 2 examples of events that should be covered in corporate minutes. The first is employee discipline or termination. As litigation has often ensued over these types of situations, keeping a detailed record of the circumstances is vitally important. While we cannot be absolutely certain, when Apple's board of directors fired Steve Jobs in 1985, chances are it was well documented in the corporate minutes. Corporate minutes are considered to be legal documents by the courts. If the IRS comes knocking on your door to conduct an audit, one of the first things the agents will ask for is the corporate minutes. You surely do not wish to keep them waiting while you scramble to find your minutes or actually bring the minutes up to date. Keeping the minutes organized and complete can avoid such stressful situations. In all, for companies both small and large, taking the time to document key decisions and changes can save you money and headaches down the line and free up your time to focus on other aspects of your business.